In front of me is Realme 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select App Management, so Ceramics click. Then click on App Cloner over here and pick one of your apps that you wish to clone from the list of the available ones. I will go with Facebook. Then click on the switcher next to Create App Clone. Wait a bit. And over here, click on Rename App Clone. Then you can name your app however you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. And click at the top right corner to save your changes. Now when I go back and try to access Facebook, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!